Good day, everyone. Welcome to TalkShop Know-How Sharing. This is Vincent Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to focus on mini-split to talk about the delta TH, which is the relation between the T set and the T room in heating mode. Also, I will provide how to adjust this delta TH. Diagram, we have the time, and here is the temperature. And then I just put this T set point and temperature, room temperature here. And also I put the compressor, outdoor fan, indoor fan on off status here for your better understanding. Let's say you will do the heating and already put the set point to the system. And the T room will goes up just due to the heating, right? Just like this. Question number 1. Will the system stop when the T room reach the set point here? The answer is no. It will continue to do heating until reach this point. And what is this? Later I will explain. And for the compressor, when it stops, it will at least stop for 3 minutes. And during these 3 minutes, no matter the room temperature, what is it, even drop to a very, very low value, it will not start again during these 3 minutes. Okay. As for the outdoor fan, it will stop after 30 seconds. How about the indoor fan here? It will just blow out the residential heat. And let's focus on this point. The relation between this point is this delta TH. It should less than 2 degrees. Then it will stop. And once the compressor stops, the room temperature always drops, right? And just like this until you reach this one, which is this delta TH higher than 1 degree, then with the compressor starts again, just like this. And here I'd like to emphasize that once we turn on the compressor, it will at least operate for 6 minutes, which means during these 6 minutes, even the temperature achieves a very high value, it will not stop. Okay, this is just to avoid the compressor frequently on off to protect the compressor. And how about this one? What is this gap? It's actually the indoor fan cold wind prevent, which means the indoor unit will heat or to heat up enough warmth to blow out the heat. So we have these 3 zones, which is to maintain operating. Here is to recover, also called start, and here is to finish, end. The relation among the delta TH, T set, and T room, just like this, we just add a T compensation here, and this one is how far away from the T set. So, for example, if the delta TH meets this requirement, it will recover or to restart the heating mode, which is turn on the compressor, outdoor fan, and four-way valve. And then let's say if the T set to be 25 and the T compensation default is 1, then we can get the T room once it achieves 25 degrees, then it will recover to heat up, which is this one. And if it meets this requirement, or the delta TH less than 1 degree for 6 minutes, then the compressor will stop, and the outdoor fan also stops 30 seconds later. And let's say the T set also 25, and just input this formula, then we can get if the T room reach 28 or 27 for 6 minutes, then meets the stop requirement. And just like this. So for a default, you can find that the T set is just here plus 0, the lower limit, and upper limit is T set plus 3 degrees Celsius or plus 2 lasts for 6 minutes. We also allow the service person to adjust this T compensation according to the local condition, and the method is just like this, which is within power on the whole unit 30 seconds. The remote controller should be as heating mode, high fan speed, and according to the set point, if you would like to change it to bit, let's say +2, then make it to bit 18 degree. Then within 5 seconds, press plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, then you can have this T compensation change. So let's say you would like to change it to be this +3, so input 17. Then according to this password, if the setting is success, the indoor unit will display this T compensation on the indoor unit panel, just to give you a feedback. Actually, you can also find that this T compensation is how far away from this set point. You can find it. This is the default +1 degree, and after you change it to +3, then it will just change here. Later, I will also display a video for your reference how we adjust this T compensation.